Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can make text box in Notability. So first thing first, let's go straight into it. So I have here my notes hello test PDF, and right here, as you can see down below here in the toolbox, I can select this square with T number T T word right here. So I will click on that, and now I can add a text box right here. Now I can type in why I cannot type. So really weird. So yeah, this is how you can um, make a text box right in Notability. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.